Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, June 11, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that they are unchanged on the session. Right now, they're trading around $27.79 per contract. All in all, the markets have been a little bit choppy here, but we have a lot going on. First off, you had the G7 meeting. I don't think that went too well. Then you have options X's coming Friday. We have the Fed announcement on Wednesday. We have the Trump summit, North Korean summit going on in Singapore. There's just a lot happening this week, so stay tuned. Let's see how this market plays out. But in the meantime, we have stocks in the news, so let's get started here. We're going to talk about Match first. MTCH is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading up around $43.28, closed at $41.52. This is on the back of an upgrade. I think the stock has upside ultimately to around $45. Then I do think it hits a wall or a ceiling up there. So just be a little bit careful, but give Match the upside bias if you own it. If you don't own it here, just leave it alone. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings today. Next up, we want to take a look at NKTR, which is Nectar Therapeutics. Stock right now is trading at $53, closed at $54.14. This is on the back of a downgrade. I'm not really seeing a level that I love here until we go much lower. So, again, be a little bit careful with this name at the moment. But that is down a little bit this morning on the back of a downgrade. And we got lots of upgrades and downgrades in some names today, so just get ready. Next, we're going to take a look at Genworth. GNW is the ticker symbol here. Stock is catching a big bid today. Closed at $3.81. Now trading at $4.87. Looks like CFIUS approved a deal with China Oceanside. So that is giving the stock a big facelift here. Again, it's getting a little bit overbought. You're going to hit the 50-week moving average at around $5.09, but that looks like where it wants to go. So again, if you own it, just try to run it up into this little level here, right around a little over $5. But again, pretty big pop today, and once you get there, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, I just leave it alone here at this stage of the game. Next up, we want to take a look at FDC. And it looks like this is up on a Goldman Sachs upgrade today. So Goldman upgrading this stock, closed at $20.05. It is now trading at $21.03. So nice little pop there for First Data. Where could it go? That's the million-dollar question. Maybe this has upside in the card, still around $23. But remember, this coming Friday is Options X. You're going to get a lot of upgrades. You're going to get a lot of downgrades, a lot of game playing by the institutions. That's what takes place during the week of options expiration. You're also going to get a lot of companies coming out with news or rumors, buyout rumors, things along those lines. So just be aware, this is the week of rumors. This is the week of kind of ridiculous upgrades and downgrades. So just be aware of that. We should get a lot of game playing as we do each and every month going into options expiration Friday. Next up, we want to take a look at SHAK. SHAK is the ticker symbol here. It looks like this right now is trading at $64.41. They did a shelf offering, so you got to be a little bit careful there. Again, a little bit of a downtick here, not much, but if it does come down much more, the stock has, pretty good support a little bit lower. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Again, we'll see how the market reacts to the shelf offering at this stage of the game. Nike's in the news. Looks like they had an increased price target from Wells Fargo. Stock right now is trading at $75, basically right where it closed. Closed at $74.90 on Friday. We're not going to make too much out of it. Let's take a look at PCG. This is a utility in California. This company has really been under some pretty good pressure. It looks like they're getting touted as causing the wildfires by power lines. So again, last, I believe, October in California, you had huge wildfires there. PCG getting some of the blame there for it. Stock right now is trading at $38.50, closed at $41.45. I think a lot of this news was already baked in, so we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I don't really think there's much to do here, but wait for some type of a reversal to take place. But either way, utility stocks are a little bit on the weaker side anyway with higher interest rates. So we'll see how that plays out. Speaking of interest rates today, it looks like we have 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield at 2.961%. That's up about 2.5 basis points. Let's take a look at the gold market. We'll use the GLD. For now, spot gold, though, is trading unchanged right now at around 1302.80. So just call it, right underneath 1303. And right now, if you take a look at the GLD this morning, that's trading at around 123.01. Basically right where it closed on Friday. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil this morning trading down 64 cents to $65.11 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF, track the movement in crude, you'll see that's trading at $13.18, down from $13.27 on Friday. So that is reflecting a little down movement in the spot price, and we'll see how today plays out. Remember, this Friday is options expiration. There should be a lot of game playing going on throughout the entire week. You can get lots of rumors, lots of upgrades and downgrades, and again, we're already starting to see it this morning. All right, with that being said, everyone, if you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat Room. We had another good Friday, a great week last week, a blockbuster week, blockbuster year to say the least. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, trade right alongside of us, see everything we do. And again, it's been just a sensational year, and we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of December. So with that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you all on the charts.